Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Rajput from CSG Asia Pacific. Welcome to CSG Coffee Talk and SAP ByDesign. Today we are here with a new topic which is new price conditions on purchase order header in SAP Business by Design. So this change has came with the SAP ByDesign 2108 release in August, uh, where a purchaser is now able to capture an overall discount value as well as surcharge during the purchase order creation. That's what I will talk about today. So let me show you the agenda. Okay, so this is today's agenda. Let me give you the overview first for the session. Then I'll show you the pain points and then the demo in the system. Then we will have the key takeaways from the whole session and then we can have the open discussion. So as I said that earlier before 2108 release in SAP ByDesign, for purchase order creation we only had the option to add the discount overall value, and now we have three more things where you can sorry earlier we can just add the overall discount percentage, and now we have three more price conditions which are overall discount value, overall surcharge percentage, and overall surcharge value. So these three has come up with the 2108 release. And what is it? Basically, imagine that your supplier grants you an overall discount value for a purchase order, or you would like to add a surcharge to your purchase order that needs to be added to the item purchasing costs on the header level, and you don't want to distribute it manually. It should be distributed manually to all the items in the purchase order. So as I said that before release 2108, you had to break down those surcharges and discount and add it to each individual purchase order items manually. And now with release 2108, we offer to directly enter those discount and surcharge on a purchase order header level. The values are then automatically broken down on item level based on the item value. So earlier we just had the overall discount in percentage. All right. These are the pain points. So the pain points could be like how to calculate the overall discount value on the purchase order, because the value was not defined earlier. We had only the percentage. And then another challenge is that how to calculate overall surcharge per percentage or the value for a purchase order overall. And it takes more time to break down the surcharges and discount. This is also another pain point because this is time consuming, takes more time, where we doing it like we are breaking it by our own calculation, not by the system. Next is that this is also difficult to manually adding individual purchase order item because it requires more effort. So that is not an ideal situation. So that's what 2108 release came with the solution, and then we will have the demo in the system, what I'm talking about. I'll log in to the system. To show you the demo, I'll go to the purchase order work center. I mean the work center is purchase request and orders. I'll go to the purchase order work center view. Let me take any supplier here. Which one? I think this one I'll take. View all. I'm taking two product, liquid coolant and heater. Okay, so these are the items which I need to buy from a supplier named what is the supplier? IMG Limited. Now, uh, if I forgot, just a second. Okay, so here we have the prices tab. Here we can see that their total discount and surcharges are 0 and net price is 600. Now we have the option to add row where I can take the price component. So here you see the four values. So out of this, only this was available before 2108 release. Rest three were not available, and to add them, we had to use the manual amount to add. So as you know that discount percentage is like simple overall discount percentage. Maybe I can say 50%. Then it will calculate the value like this. But now we are talking about the new ones. So here let me just take the surcharge percentage. So for example, I'm taking 10%. If I save it and check the items here, here you see that the value has increased to this much. And to see that how this has been calculated, we will go to the prices tab here. Yes, so you can see that 10% surcharges has been added to this, and that's why surcharges charge is like 50 from 500 from here for this item, the first one, sorry, second one, and for the first one it is here. So system has automatically calculated this for us. So on 100 manual price, the overall surcharge percentage was 10, and then this is 110. This is what we have to pay because surcharges will be paid by the customer itself. So this is about the surcharges. So before 2108, it was not possible. We had to do it manually. Now if I add the value basis, surcharge value, for example, I'm taking 90. Removing this one, then save. So this 90 will surcharge will be added to both the item. It will be distributed there only on the header level of the purchase order. Yes, so here we see that 90 has been deducted for this product and separately for this product. Here 90. So this is how we can check that how the value is added, and we can see it. We have two price tab in the item level here and here in the prices. So this was very small thing because this was just one of the upgrade from 2108 release where the system is calculating these three price conditions for you. So now the key takeaways are like this. You are now able to find the new price components in the prices section of the purchase order header. As we saw that in the price section, we were able to add these three kind of value. Overall discount in percent was already available before 2108 release, like I said. With 2108 release, SAP ByDesign now follows new header price conditions, that is overall discount value, overall surcharge percentage, and overall surcharge value. And also user can add surcharge value, percentage and discount value to the purchase order. Values are automatically broken down on the item level based on the item value. That's what we saw, that we added everything on the purchase order header level, but then the value has been distributed on both the item level. This is very beneficial when we have more than one or two items where you cannot add it manually like before. So this is a good thing which SAP ByDesign has given to us. This is all about from this session. Thank you very much.